Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2022 Can-Am Defender Limited. We've just installed the Can-Am Plow system on it. Wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about how it works. We love the Can-Am Plow system for a couple reasons, and I'm going to show you why. So as you can see down low, you do have some bracketry that mounts up down on the frame. It's tied into the frame really well. But the best part about this system is how easy it is to attach and detach. All you're going to do is let the blade down, get the tension out of the cable, push your foot on this yellow bar, and drive away from the plow system. It's that easy. To hook it back up, all you're gonna do is simply drive back up to the plow, and it's gonna connect up underneath right in those tabs. Very nice, they've designed it really well. You can also rotate this plow system back and forth with that yellow lever. Simply pull on that lever and rotate the blade manually to angle it to the left or to the right. Good quality product from Can-Am. It's got a nice wear blade on there. 435-427-3338. You can also check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Have a great day, everybody. We know Rick will.